They're bulletproof. Oh. Alrighty, here we go. We're gonna go warm it up. Set the odometer. Put some fuel in it. The 84 to 89 Carreras are without a doubt some of the best cars ever made by Porsche. They're just bulletproof. Such good fun. Not a ton of amenities, just enough to enjoy yourself in comfort, but a real sporting 911. We're gonna go and put some fuel in and come back to you as soon as she warms up. Okay, we're at operating temperatures. Got some speed.